Getting a tattoo for many is a way to express themselves, and for few, it's just an act of impulse. Tattoos can absolutely express love, display religious beliefs or patriotism or association with a certain group. But what if you don't like it anymore? What if you don't want to keep the name of your ex-lover? What if you don't want to be associated with a particular group? What if you don't want to be judged after that unwanted tattoo? What if you don't want to keep the tattoo you got as a teenager? What if the tattoo artist has messed up your look? What if you don't want to remember your past? Do you have to live with it forever because you didn't think before you ink? Not really. Here's why. Though laser tattoo removal procedure and abrasion techniques do exist, they are just plain expensive, invasive, besides being painful. Sanding the tattoo ink out of the skin will cause immense pain and permanent scarring, and so are the tattoo removal creams in the market that literally contain more than the permissible level of dangerous acids and chemicals that in turn will damage your delicate skin. Now think of this, a tattoo removal procedure that's very effective, that causes no pain, absolutely no scarring, and 100% natural that you can prepare at home, and the least expensive. Now I've heard you. Are you kidding? I swear, I'm definitely not kidding. Well, let me introduce who I am first. I'm Jason Carter, a tattoo artist by profession. As a tattoo artist and cover-up specialist, I get a huge number of clients who told me that they don't like their beloved tattoo anymore. Yes, believe me, I was there too. At one point, when my wife broke up with me, I wanted to get rid of her name tattooed on my chest. I was desperate to find a tattoo removal procedure that caused no pain. I found that the market is filled with sleazy snake oil tattoo removal kits, abrasive procedures that literally sand off your skin with corrosive acid, and very expensive laser tattoo removal that drains all the money from your wallet. So I started to do research on my own to find the perfect natural removal. I tried them on my skin to remove my tattoos. What started as a trial and error at my home has gone places when my clients started inquiring on how my tattoos have started fading. Suddenly, I was recognized as a tattoo removal specialist rather than a tattoo artist. When so many of my clients were interested to remove at least one of their tattoos, I decided to publish what exactly I did to remove my tattoo. These are time-tested 100% natural removal techniques that cause no pain or scarring. These are common household ingredients plus a few essential oils. Not only they remove your tattoo, they'll also make your skin soft and smooth at the end of the day. Can you believe that your kitchen has one secret ingredient that has the potential to remove your unwanted tattoo? Can you believe that spending just about 15 minutes a day following the tattoo removal regimen is all you need and not a hefty wallet that laser tattoo removal centers need? Can you believe that your search for removing your tattoo you hate for years has come to an end with a simple, natural, and effective treatment lying just right under the click of your mouse? You don't have to spend hefty charges at laser removal centers. You don't have to abrade your delicate skin. You don't have to worry about covering up. Here's what you need to do. Just click on the link below and download Get Rid Tattoo Program instantly. This is just a one-time fee of $50 and you can download the ebook right away to your computer or smartphone and get started. Click on the link below and download Get Rid Tattoo now.